The multiple remittance feature allows you to provide the system partial amounts of a commission as you receive them from a vendor. I will show you how this works. Let's start by searching the first reservation number. After searching the reservation number, there is a new column labeled Add Partial Remittance. This column will show a plus button. When the plus button is clicked, a new pop-up will appear. The heading is named Add Partial Remittance. The first field is the remittance amount, where you type in the dollar amount. The second field is the remittance date, where you select a date from the date picker or manually enter a date. So in this instance, we've received $1,000 so far for this commission, for the reservation, and the date is April 29th. Then I hit save. If the cancel button was selected, then the pop-up would disappear and no changes would be made. At this point, since the save button was clicked, the pop-up disappears and the commission remittance toggle will be grayed out here. This toggle will be grayed out at any time that a partial remittance is entered until those partial remittances equal the commission amount. And once a partial remittance is saved for a reservation, this plus sign here will have a purple star appear on it, showing that money has been received towards the commission for this reservation. Now, let's add an additional amount. Hit the plus sign, $500 also, and hit save again. And now you see both that have come in so far. The plus button is still going to appear in this far right column, and you can enter another or multiple more remittances as you receive them. And each time a partial remittance is saved, you can still edit that amount right here, and you can edit the date or the amount of that partial remittance. You can also delete the partial remittance if needed. Now, let's enter one more, the additional $5. And now you see that when the partial remittances entered are equal to the full amount of commission that is expected, then this remittance toggle will no longer be grayed out, and you can toggle it to pay the agent. If this payment remittance is toggled on, then you'll be able to review it now in this Receive tab. Let's go over this one more time with a different reservation. The Butler reservation, I'll search for, and here's the one I'm looking for. Received a partial remittance of $45.98 back on April 8th. Hit save. Then an additional amount of $263.65 came in today. Now that amount equals the amount of the commission that is expected, and so now you are able to toggle the remittance button to pay the agent.